Let's solve the equation. The piecewise function f of x set equal to 0. Okay, so we have two cases. When x is less than or equal to 3, and when x is greater than 3. We never know if it's less than 3 or greater than 3 until we actually work it out. So let's go ahead and do that. X squared minus 1 equals 0. 3x plus 5 equals 0. Okay, on the left, x squared minus 1 equals 0. Add 1 to both sides. 0 plus 1 is 1. So x squared equals 1. Square root property says I can find the square root of both sides, and I get a positive and negative version of the answer. So that's a negative 1 and a positive 1. Square root of 1 is 1, so negative 1 and positive 1. Okay, on the right, subtract 5 from both sides. 0 minus 5 is negative 5. And then divide both sides by 3. Negative 5/3. Or if you prefer, you can say negative 1.67. Okay, always check to see how the answer is to be written. Okay, so I didn't specify in this particular example, but if you were trying to turn this in as an assignment or something, make sure you check. Is it supposed to be a decimal? Is it supposed to be a fraction? Okay, just make sure you look into that. Okay, anyway, so now let's kind of evaluate these. Let's start over here with negative 1. Negative 1 and positive 1 are both under the x is less than 3. Well, they both are less than 3, so I can actually include them both in my final answer. Okay, as far as x is greater than 3, over here, try that again, whoops. Negative 5/3 is not greater than 3. So that's not a solution. So I have two solutions, negative 1 and positive 1.